Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to do a little bit of a review of the Afikim model, which is the S3, known as the Afiscooter S3. Before we get started, let's tune into some epic action shots.
Mobility Direct, get stability, it'll only take a sec. Why deal with all that stress? There's no competition when you're dealing with the best. Mobility Direct, get stability, it'll only take a sec. Why deal with all that stress? There's no competition when you're dealing with the best. You wanna get out, but you're stuck in the house. You can't really walk and you need to get around. Well, come on down to Mobility Direct. They get you in the scooter, it'll only take a sec. You're dealing with the best, got prices for less. The park or the beach, we put the scooters to the test. And our Mobility scooters ride all day long. That's because they run on Dakota Lithium. Man, come on, we could go for miles and miles. So much battery power, right for hours and hours.
All right, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed those action shots as much as we enjoyed making them. Now, before we get started with this video, I do need to take the time to mention a few quick things. Number one, if you want a copy of our free product catalog, all you have to do is go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, and you can just fill out that simple short form. You'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops, or you can just click right there where it says get free catalog. It'll take you right to the form. I also want to tell you that at the end of this video, we're going to show you something pretty awesome that we did with this model, and we're going to tell you how you could win your very own Afikim scooter. It's a very awesome giveaway that we're doing really soon, so you're not going to want to miss out on that. Stay tuned till the end. So without further ado, let's dive into the Afikim model S3. Now, the S3 has a brother, the S4, which has 4 wheels instead of 3. The 3-wheel, mainly, the difference is that it's going to turn a lot sharper. All right, so folks, I'm going to go through the specs really quick, but if I don't cover anything in this video that you're wondering, give us a call. Our non-commissioned sales experts are not pushy. They're friendly. They're here to recommend a product that's going to suit your needs, not something that's the most expensive one out there just to get a high commission like our competitors do. So give them a call, or like I said, leave a comment below. We'll answer right away. You can also go to our website, which is going to have all the specs. We also have full in-depth review videos that shows you how to unbox it and assemble it. There's very little assembly required, by the way, but we have tons of videos on these models. So go to our YouTube channel or just click right there where it says Afikim S3 video playlist, so you can see all the videos for this model. So starting from the top, 500-pound weight capacity. It does have a universal hitch receiver on the back of the seat, so you can put things like a rear shopping basket, a cane holder, walker holder, you name it. Now the seat rotates. You have this little lever right here, rotates 360 degrees. You can also slide the seat forward and back with the additional lever. You can also tilt the handlebar assembly closer to you or further away from you. So you've got lots of comfort adjustment features, flip up armrest, height adjustable headrest, you name it. Now the weight capacity is gonna have 500 pounds max on it, but you can upgrade the suspension and get up to 600 pounds on it. It weighs about 359 pounds with the base option, the smallest seat, no upgraded tires or anything like that. If you do get those upgrades, it's gonna obviously weigh a little bit more. Now the maximum speed is gonna be about 9.3 miles per hour, depending on the weight load, the terrain type, the incline, and things like that. You're gonna get about 37 miles with the standard batteries, but here's the thing, we have lithium battery upgrades that we are the only dealer allowed to offer those lithium battery upgrades without voiding your warranty. Afikim and Mobility Direct have decided to enter into an agreement where we can offer these scooters with lithium battery upgrades. If you get the right lithium battery upgrades, you can get over 90 miles per charge. We actually beat a world record going over 200 miles in over 24 hours straight, nonstop, with certain Dakota lithium batteries that we offer. We did have to change the batteries a few times, but I mean, going 90 miles on a full charge is pretty amazing. By the way, the lithium batteries come with an 11-year warranty, whereas the standard batteries come with a 6-month warranty. So you get standard sealed lead acid batteries, kind of like an automobile has. 2 12-volt lead acid batteries is what it comes with, but you can upgrade to lithium and you're going to get a specialty lithium battery charger if you do upgrade. Otherwise, you'll get the standard charger that it comes with. Charging ports right there. You also have 2 USB charging ports, and the ignition is right there. You have a pretty easy to use steering system. You've got the throttle lever right here on the right side. You can opt to get it on the left if you need to. You have the forward and reverse switch, the half speed, full speed horn button. This is the little pad button or lever, if you will, to tilt to the steering assembly. You've got an illuminated dash that's going to show you your battery meter and different things, your gauges, your speed. You have buttons here to set it up and go through different modes, odometer mode, etc. Turn signals, another horn button, light switch, nice little powerful LED headlight, turn signals, full light package, brake lights, you name it. And it does have automatic brakes, so as soon as you let go of the throttle, it's going to come to a complete stop and it's going to remain in park mode, if you will. That's why it's not rolling down this hill. But you do have the supplemental brake assist lever on the left in case you want to slow down a little bit faster. The automatic brakes take about a second or two to come to a complete stop. So, with that being said, you've got a 1400 watt motor, 24 volt motor on this thing, super powerful. It can handle the steepest inclines that I've seen any scooter handle, and it can go over some of the roughest terrain, especially if you get the golf tires, which are over here. The golf tires are extra wide. You can get them on the 3-wheel or the 4-wheel. So the standard tires are going to be 16 inches diameter and about 3.5 inches wide. But as you can see on the golf tires, you've got almost like 6.5 inches in width here. So, you know, if you do want to consider the golf tire upgrade, you are going to get better performance on terrain like sand. You can go on the beach. We actually have videos of us testing these scooters on the beach, and the golf tires are a must if you're going to go on the beach. Unless you're at like a really, really compact sand kind of beach, you can use the standard tires there. Now, as far as the seat goes, you've got plenty of options. You've got an 18-inch wide seat, a 20-inch wide seat, 22-inch wide, 24-inch wide, and you can even get a 2-person seat, which is 33 inches wide. So if you want to go on a joyride with your friend, your loved one, your kids, uncle, nephews, nieces, you've got plenty of room with that 2-person seat. As far as some of the other upgrade options, you can get a hard cover canopy on this thing to protect you from the sun, the rain, and you can even opt in for the fully enclosed rain sides, which will allow you to take this thing out in a full-blown storm. I mean, we've gone into some puddles while it was pretty much like hurricane season here in Florida. It was pouring rain. Puddles were probably like 5-6 inches deep. Moseyed on through those puddles, no problem. Everything underneath the scooter is very well protected, so whether you're going through mud or puddles, nothing really just, you know, gets soaking wet. Everything's tucked in and protected, so all the wires, the electrical components are protected. You can definitely go over puddles with this thing. Just do it carefully, don't go full speed. All right, what else? Now you can get a motor upgrade package. The standard motor allows it to go up to 9.3 miles per hour. With the upgraded motor, 12 miles per hour, which I think is totally worth it. You get from point A to point B a lot faster with that extra, 3 to 4 miles per hour difference. So consider that. So there are several other upgrade options, folks, and you want to check out our website. Like, you can get the foot pedal option instead of the throttle option. You can get a rear locking storage. We're actually giving those away right now as part of a limited time promotion. So check those out. We're also including not a just standard 2-year in-home repair contract. These units all come with that. So for 2 years, you're covered with in-home repairs as long as you have a warranty approved claim. We're upgrading you to a 3-year for a limited time only if you mention this video. Not only that, you get tax-free shipping, and you get tax-free sales and free shipping as well. Most importantly though, you're not only going to get really good deals on the savings aspect, you're going to get a discount. We always offer promotions, but most importantly, when you need support down the road, we actually answer the phone. We have a tech support department. They're super knowledgeable. They can help you troubleshoot over the phone. And if there's something actually wrong that's part of the warranty approval claim process, again, you get that technician that gets dispatched to your home. So I'm going to throw the specs on the screen really quick and tell you a few more things while we wrap up this video. So you can pause, go back at any time if you want to see any of the specifications that we maybe missed or that you just forgot about as I was talking about all of them throughout this video. So check that out here on the screen now. And I do want to tell you, personally what I think makes this model so special. Number one, it's going to be the best option for going off-road and taking sharp turns. It's going to have a really high weight capacity. It has the lowest defect rate, and it's extremely serviceable. So if you do need a replacement part like a new tire or a new controller or a new breaker, it's super easy to replace these parts. They designed it in a way that it's super easy to fix. So if you do need to get it repaired, it's not going to take a long time as long as the parts are available. Not only that, you're backed by that awesome warranty and service agreement, so you get that peace of mind at no additional cost. Personally, if I were to get a heavy-duty scooter for myself or a loved one, it would hands down be an Afikim model. That's what makes it special. Not only that, they're just a ton of fun and can be used for several different things around the property. I tow a beach style fishing cart in the back. I use an agricultural sprayer. I tow around my tools when I'm doing yard work. It's extremely versatile. So if you want to go to the beach, go to parks, do work around the property, this is a scooter for you. Now, if you want to learn more about it, like I said, give us a call with the number on the bottom of the screen. Non-commissioned sales experts are here to help. Comment below with your questions. We will reply to them. Or drop on by one of our local stores. We have these models in stock ready to test drive. Now, I did tell you at the end of this video, we were going to tell you a couple things. Number one, if you want to join the giveaway where we're giving away the C4 model over here, the silver one. It's the smaller brother, the little brother of the S4 rather. It's more compact, a little bit less weight capacity, still the same awesome performance and warranty support. We're giving one of those away. All you got to do is subscribe to both of our YouTube channels. So we have Mobility Direct on YouTube as one of our channels and Mobility Scooter Sales. I'll put the link to the Mobility Scooter Sales YouTube channel right up there at the top right. Visit that YouTube channel, subscribe, and if you're already subscribed to this one, you're entered into that giveaway. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers on the Mobility Scooter Sales YouTube channel, we're giving away that Afikim C4 to a random lucky subscriber. So don't miss out. What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. You're not only going to enter the giveaway, you're automatically going to get notifications when we release new awesome videos like this one. All right, folks. So one last thing, we're going to close out this video with some epic action shots of some awesome stuff we did with the S3 recently. You're going to love it. And I hope to hear from you. We hope to earn your business, folks. Thanks so much for supporting our YouTube channel and watching our videos. I hope you give it a like, thumbs up, share it, tell your friends about it. Until next time, everybody, stay tuned. We've got some epic new videos coming out next. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Have a great day.
Just for safety, we're gonna record from a different angle, and then babe, when it's time, go ahead and hit the brakes and make sure this truck doesn't run me over. Again, you're not back to home, but you're going to. Let's go. Power of the scoot. Afiscooter. Oh my God, it's peeling out. All right, I think that's as far as we're gonna take this. We're literally burning out on the right side. But literally, this truck has